How I lament in my despair. No one seems to understand. A blanche Monet in a mansion I did say. Now I want him back and I can't get him out my head. You know what they say about money, that it doesn't buy happiness. And I guess they were proven right, cause it seems that my life's a mess. Yeah, one big with a divorce, but I lost my other half. I don't know why he wanted to leave me, I'm just a girl that likes to spend. Now I'm alone in my palace wondering, was it worth jumping through those hoops? Yeah, I got a maiden servant for me, but there's nothing that they can do. And I'm wasting my time just crying and walking around these walls. No one understands my struggle. For the rise now I'm feeling the fall away. How I lament in my despair. No one seems to understand. A blanche Monet in a mansion I did say. Now I want him back and I can't get him out my head. Peril amongst the pearls. Peril amongst the pearls. Peril amongst the pearls. And I scream for my life, but I know that no one's heard. I'm losing my sanity in this porcelain jail. My diamond jewelry's clamping on my neck. Solitude and silence, tears on a leopard print. I'll sell my Lamborghinis for a friend.